The use of light gauge steel framing in construction is growing on a worldwide basis. That is good news if you manufacture steel framing, but you know that it is still a very competitive market. To keep your customers, you must stay focused on better quality, providing consistent products that comply with all recognized standards. Greater flexibility, quickly producing the customer's entire order without the need to hold excess inventory. And higher productivity, making the best use of your fixed assets and your workforce. The B&K Accessory System is an integrated production line for all light steel framing accessories, from corner bead, furring channel, angle, CRC, J-weave, and resilient channel, among others. The system itself is amazingly compact, designed to save floor space and make coil thread up quick and easy. It starts with the uncoiler. This single mandrel design handles 6,000 pounds. With the optional double mandrel, you can run from one side while loading coil on the other. When it is time to switch, you just rotate the reel, thread up, and go. The powered straightener feeder not only removes coil set, it also uses a speed matching algorithm that works with the roll former. The rugged 5-roll straightener feeder handles steel up to 6 inches wide and 16 gauge material thickness. Micrometer adjustable edge guides ensure proper alignment with the roll former to make thread up quick and easy when switching between profiles. The hardened upper rolls are individually adjusted to give you the exact roll pressure needed while keeping the rolls parallel. The next station of the accessory system punches holes and shears the strip to precise length prior to the roll former. But this punching and shearing system is nothing like you've seen before. When running corner bead, resilient channel, or other continuous perforated pattern, the optional continuous pattern rotary punch offers unmatched production speed and compact design compared to traditional perforating methods. With no press or discrete feeding equipment, the operation and maintenance is greatly simplified. When no hole punching is required, the rotary is simply rolled out of line and stored for later use. Next is the B&K Rotary Shear, a true marvel of drive technology, an ingenious machine and tool design. This compact system can maintain impressive accuracy at high speeds. Here you're watching a continuous punch pattern while cutting 8-foot links at speeds of 200 feet per minute, and the links are accurate within 1/16 of an inch. No holes required? Here you see the same production rates without holes. No pneumatics to adjust or boost cylinders to tweak when switching profile. It cuts through a wide range of steel thickness with the same tool set. The B&K Rotary Shear cuts the coil right after punching when the blank is already started into the roll former. This pre-cutting method is more economical than post-cut because you don't need to buy different cutoff dies for different profiles, and you don't lose valuable production time changing out cutoff tools. The one shear blade cuts 25 to 16 gauge material up to 6 inches wide. The rotary shear is quiet, extremely accurate, and fast. Then we come to the roll former, the multi-profile accessory machine. It is the benchmark for flexibility, productivity, and ease of use in roll forming steel framing accessories. The roll former is capable of complete changeover from one unique profile to another in less than 1 minute. And you do this simply by hand crank with digital readout to traverse the machine in the desired position of the next profile. 4 profiles are standard, but you can start with a minimum of 2 and expand up to 8 in the future. Profiles include corner bead, resilient channel RC1 and RC2, furring channel, Z, hat, J, angle, and CRC. Additional custom profiles are available. Please consult the factory. Roll tooling for all profiles is set up at Formtek, so there is no need to adjust it after it reaches your plant. You never change out rolls. You never even use spacers or shims. The accessory system's permanent tooling can produce any of the provided profiles, simply traversing the roll former to the desired product. Thread up material, key in your part length, quantity, and selected line speed. No manual adjustment screws to set on the roll former, punch, or shear. With the B&K Accessory System, the time you save on setup and adjustment is time spent running production with the efficiency that leaves other framing roll formers far behind. In an effort to illustrate the profit opportunity available to you by choosing the B&K Accessory System, we have generated the following analysis. This information provides a conservative comparison between a conventional roll forming system and the B&K Accessory System in terms of production, profit, opportunity per month. This comparison is based on system changeover time from one product to another. Thanks to the pre-cut method of processing, the scrap when switching between products is negligible. With the changeover and setup scrap consideration, Accessory System users can produce smaller orders more frequently to virtually eliminate the need for holding finished inventory. B&K's uncoiler, straightener feeder, rotary punch and shear, and the B&K accessory former. This advanced production system delivers a wider range of products at a higher level of quality and at greater productivity than other accessory production lines. But another big advantage is its simplicity. The entire line can be mastered even by inexperienced operators after only a few days of training. Operators don't need a toolbox because adjustments are powered and activated through the color touchscreen display, or they are made using hand wheels and digital readouts. All start, stop, jog, and other setup functions are conveniently located on one push-button console. To show you how fast and easy it is to set up the B&K accessory system, we will walk through a complete changeover with the last batch complete and the next coil loaded. The roll former is traversed for the proper profile to be in line. If punching is required, the rotary punching unit is slid in line. If no punching is required, the auxiliary strip guide is loaded in its place. The coil is fed up to the straightener. It slowly jogs through the straightener and the edge guides are positioned. Then it's jogged right into the entry guide of the rotary punch and shear system. A short scrap piece is jogged through the roll former and inspected. In just minutes, the accessory system is completely changed over. The operator selects the part length and quantity and selects the desired line speed. Activating the run command, the operator starts producing high-quality accessories without the guesswork, adjustments, or compromises of conventional roll forming lines. If you have been searching for that competitive edge in quality, in flexibility, and in productivity, your search may be over. The B&K Accessory System by Formtek, bringing manufacturers of light-gauge steel framing accessories the latest technology for more productive metal forming solutions.